how to add or remove the location tab in folder properties in Windows 11. If you can't find the location tab on folder properties, chances are it's hidden. Here's how to bring it back in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 2 methods to add the location tab. Depending on how your device is configured, you will likely not see a location tab when you open the folder properties window. If you want to bring it back, you can do so in 2 easy ways. The first method is to create a new key in the Registry Editor. To open it, press Windows+R, type REG Edit, and hit Enter. Then, navigate to HKey, Classes, Root, \directory, \shellx, \property, Sheet Handlers. Create a new key by right-clicking Property Sheet Handlers and then selecting New Key. Name it as, and close the editor. Restart your PC to apply the changes. To remove the location tab, simply delete the key, then restart your computer to apply the changes. Another is to create a .reg file. Open Notepad and use the following script to add the location tab. Save it as a .reg file, double-click it, confirm the prompts, and then restart your computer to apply the changes. To remove the tab, use this script and follow the same steps. Restoring the location tab in folder properties makes file navigation easier. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove the location tab in folder properties in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.